Hello and welcome to another recording by Binary Options Pro Trade Signals. Okay, we're in another live trade here, and I want to talk a little bit about why we entered this. So this is the kind of thing that you learn in our members area if you subscribe to our members area in Binary Options Pro Trade Signals. So this is the kind of live trade that you would see, be able to look over the shoulder of a live Binary Options Pro Trade Signals.com trader Roberto makes all these trades. So this is a live trade, so you can probably notice the price is changing here. So we're right there. Target entry is 1.36320, currently at 1.36296. It's about 2 pips in the profit. This is a Euro-US dollar currency pair. We bought a put. So as you can see, the little black dot right there, that's where we entered. So let's take a look at the chart. Talk a little bit about why we entered this. Euro-US dollar entered right up here, right up there. So I've drawn 3 lines here, and this demonstrates something called bearish divergence, triple witching. There's 1, 2, 3. So you'll notice here, MACD was moving down. So right at that point right there, we had a fairly large MACD. MACD was moving down while this price was in this trading range. So if we pick 3 points, 1, 2, 3, where stochastics were at the top, and it was at the top of that trading range, that's bearish divergence and triple witching. And we had a pink arrow there, entered right about there, moved down real nicely. The signal is definitely there. Remains to be seen if this closes with profit. Looks pretty positive right now. It's about 2 pips profit, and about closes at 11:40 a.m. About 10 minutes. Notice it is possible to close this right now, take some early profit. The amount invested was 24. Currently you could get 31.22, so that would be $6.22. I think we'll wait this one out because it looks pretty positive. So let's go back and look at the chart again. It's bouncing back a little bit. Currently stochastics are right at the top, so I would expect this to go down a little bit more. Go sideways until it closes. So let's look at the dashboard again. Okay, we're looking at the Euro-US dollar M1. I'll show you the dashboard. So we have 6 currency pairs here, Euro-US dollar. Each currency pair, each chart we see is a candlesticks. It's on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Not because we trade on MetaTrader 4, but because it's just a really good set of charts to use. So there's a Euro-Yen, again with M1 charts, British Pound, US Dollar, British Pound, Japanese Yen, Australian Dollar, US Dollar, Australian Dollar, Japanese Yen. There's a reason why we pick these currency pairs. These are the most popular traded currency pairs in the Forex, and they have high volume and high liquidity and tend to have really good pure chart patterns. Let's have a look again at Okay, well, we've got 10 minutes left. Still got about 2 pips profit in there. Could close it at 32.71. That would give us about $6 profit. I think we're going to hold off on this one. I think we're going to close that out. Just looking a little, give it one little few more minutes. We'll hang in there. It's right here at the top of stochastics, overbought. So I think we'll leave it alone. It's only got another 10 minutes. And we've still got about 2 pips profit, so leave it alone. Time is 11:31, so it's about 9 minutes left. So wait it out. Boom, 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 boom. Could close it out at 32.47. Entered right up here. Still sitting there with about 2 pips profit. Seems to be kind of edging up a bit, but basically going sideways. So leave it alone and let time have its impact on this. We'll just leave it alone. There's about 7 minutes left on it. Expires at 11:40 a.m. It is currently 11:33. There's about 7 minutes left. Well, just as an example of just gotta have some patience. We're on the right side of the market here. When we entered, as you can see, there's a lot of resistance up here. And we had that famous triple witching. Starting to back off a little bit there. So we'll leave it alone. Again, let's go in here. So this was in an uptrend, and then we went into this really strong consolidation trading range here. And if you look at this, MACD was moving down based on this line. And so I drew 3 lines, all when stochastics were at the top. And so that all those confluence of events represents MACD bearish divergence and triple witching. Let's go have a look at this again. 36,302. We've got about 5.5 minutes left for this trade. So 83% of $24 is what we could win. Here we got 2 seconds left. Okay. No more close allowed. So we got to wait this one out. So we got 5 minutes between here and here to wait it out. Again, about 2 pips profit. Got 4.5 minutes left. This is when you gotta have a lot of patience and kind of hang on to your hat and just wait it out. The probabilities on this trade are pretty darn high. So regardless of how it turns out, the entry signal was correct. It is always possible to have, correct entry and everything, but still not make money. That's a little frustrating when that happens, but you just gotta hang in there knowing that your system works, and you just keep applying and you'll make. Goal is to be about 70 or 80%. 70 or 80% correct. That made a nice nice move down. Wow. So now we've got about 3 pips profit and about 3 minutes left. So look at that here. Nice. So winding down here. About 3 minutes left. Right over here, I'll put it at 11:40 a.m. That'll mean that trade will be closed. It's moving down again. You always know when you've got a good trade and your good placement when you get things like this happen. Almost as soon as this trade was placed, within seconds it made a huge move down, and it stayed down ever since. When you get this thing where it just kind of goes sideways and it's chopping up and down, means you're probably not trading in the right time frame, right pattern, not entering right. This one is a beautiful example of right everything, right entry, right time window. Everything's good. So about 2 minutes left on this. Been real patient in waiting this out. Yeah, and it's moving down nice there. About 1.5 minutes left on this. Target entry is 36.32, currently at 36.291. That's about 3 pips profit. We're getting down to the closer and closer time to close this. About 1 minute left. We'll do a countdown on it. Should be good. 39. So 2 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. By the way, this is a live trade with a live account, live money. This is just one of the many accounts that I have. If you trade with me, I can get you in that 40%, 80% correct zone. Oh, that made a nice move down again. 36.32 is the entry. 36.28. So that's 4 pips profit. Nice. And again, it's been in the green in profit ever since we entered that. This was a really 7 seconds, 54, 55, 57, 59, 60, done. That trade is closed. So now they calculate expiry. In other words, calculate the profit. In this case, we had a $24 trade with 83% profit, 83% return. We'll just hang on until it does the calculation. I can show you how much profit we made on this. I tend to be pretty conservative in trade size. Per trade, I don't trade anywhere from 2 to 5%. Alright. Return on that was 43.92. Invested 24, made 43.92.